And we have arrived at our sixth and final video for Chapter 5-3, and now we can determine where we are going to hire in Stage 3. It's been quite the journey. Let's move right into it. Let me get the slideshow started. All right, calculating profit. Here we go. So, quick review again. Chapter 5-3, we're looking at cost and revenue to determine where we're going to hire in Stage 3. And right now we are going to focus on profit. We took a look at revenue in that previous video. And so here we are taking a look at profit. So how to calculate profit? Well, the components are total cost, total revenue to equal total profit. So total revenue minus the total costs will equal the total profit. Let's practice. No workers. Let's see what our profit is. Total revenue is 0. Why would it be 0? Because there is no product. 0 product times $15, 0. We're not getting anything out of there. There is no marginal revenue to multiply against. So 0 minus $50. And remember, even though we're not making anything, we still have those fixed costs to deal with. $50. So 0 minus 50 equals a negative $50. So clearly we are losing $50 by not hiring anybody. So let's start hiring workers, start making some money. Let's skip down to 4 workers and analyze our profit. Total revenue, $930. There it is up here in our example. Minus the $410, and that equals that $520 total profit. And that's at 4 workers. Well, let's go do another one. Let's take a look at 9 workers in Stage 2. At 9 workers, we are producing a total product of $144. That's generating $2,160 in revenue, minus our total cost of $860, which gives us a profit of $1,300. Now, it's very important to note that our profit is the highest at this point. When we hire that 9th worker, profit at $1,300 is higher than this. Now, it's also $1,300 at 8 workers, but there's a reason why we want to go ahead and hire that 9th worker. We don't know what the situation is going to be until we do hire that 9th worker, but we're going to take a look here at another measure real quickly. So, at worker number 9, total profit's $1,300. So something magical happens at that location. The profit is maximized at that point where marginal cost, here's our marginal cost column, notice it's at $15, is equal to marginal revenue. Right there. $15 marginal revenue, $15 marginal cost. At that point where those two are equal, we maximize our profit, and now we know that at that point we have the 9th worker. So marginal cost, marginal revenue equal at the 9th worker. Therefore, we want to hire 9 workers because at that point we will maximize our profit. And so there you have it. We now know where to hire in Stage 2. You know how to do the calculations, and up next in the class I've got some Excel worksheets for you so you can practice these calculations and determine where to hire in Stage 2. So I have thoroughly enjoyed all these videos. I hope they've been enlightening for you and educational and helping you understand what is probably the most difficult section that we've had to date. So if you can get through this, you are going to make it through the rest of economics.